Hey guys, we're going to do a fun pot of flowers today. Little hint, go online and download this alcohol ink swatch paper. Go ahead and put it on your photo paper and go ahead and swatch out your stuff. Then when you use your bottles, you can put your lids right on your color and you don't get them all mixed up. Hint of the day. Okay, let's get going. So we're going to do, you can do either 2 or 3 different colors. I'm just doing 2 for simplicity purposes. So what I'm going to get is my alcohol, and this is the watermelon. I'm going to do one here, and I'm just going to take this in a circle. I want it to look more like more of a round flower, not necessarily a rose, but just to indicate it's a flower. Now I will do either 5 or 7 of these, depending on the size. That one wasn't a big one, so I'm going to do this one. Wrong bottle. There we go. And I don't really care if they're perfectly circle. I just want to create a look of petals on different levels. And my next one will be my watermelon. You can tell it's a little humid here because it's getting these little beads around the edge, but we have had so much rain. Put one more there. Normally I do them a little bigger, and I'm just alternating these. Now, there's that. Next, I'm going to be doing pistachio and bottle. They are pretty far apart in colors, but I think they blend really well. I'm going to do a little bit bigger spots because I want it to be greenery, not necessarily the flowers. You know, separated like the flowers. I keep grabbing my empty bottle. You want them to butt up a little bit against it, but not up into them. This is the pistachio. And a little bit of bottle. And then that's going to be it. All right. The next part's going to be fun. I have got a blue and a purple, and I'm going to do the flower pot on it. So I think I'm going to do the blue up underneath the flower. That's using the chiseled in. There's the rim. And there's the next one. And we'll go in between with purple, so it'll show up. I'm going to get a paper towel, and we'll hold it pretty straight up down. I don't want to hold it like this because I don't want it running over into the green and red, so I'm going to tilt it where it'll hopefully go straight, and just run some drops of alcohol along this edge. Now you can either let it go off your paper, I like to go ahead and dab mine off. And then I'll eventually let it run, but I don't want it just to be a huge puddle. Then if you like it, go ahead and get it dried. And what I will do is go through and just cut off this edge where it puddled on that edge of it. So there, see, that's nice and neat. Now what I want to do next, this takes some time, so I will start it, show you what I'm doing, and then go in and finish it up. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I have a little tray, but these are great if you use the tops to your water bottles, things like that. Keep those and you can do this with it. So I just take this little stylus, it's got a little ball on the end, both sides have different sizes. And what I'm going to do on my flower is follow the edges. And you may have to play like this, figure out, put it down, go slower, or you can go fast depending on the size of the end of your stylus. And I just kind of follow the ridges. Of course, the first ones you put down are going to be bigger than the next 2 or 3, which I think is fine. It looks cute. Looks very whimsical. And just follow all the lines that you created before. Now, can you see that? So what I'm going to do is do that over all of the flowers and the greenery. Maybe not so much on the greenery, but definitely I want the flowers to do that. And then I won't do it in the pot of the pitcher. So, I will come back when I've finished. Here is the finished product. There are all the dots, and if that's too many for you, just don't put as many. And there is the pot of the flower, and there it is. So go out there and create and have fun.